In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project template in Basecamp. If you run similar projects again and again, templates are a huge time saver. They let you reuse the same setup, like to-dos, schedules, docs, files, and messages, without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's start with creating a brand new template in Basecamp 4. From your home page, look for View Templates. Depending on your screen, you might see it under Make a New Project. Click that, then choose the plus New Template box. Give your template a clear, descriptive name and, if it helps, add a short description to remind you and your team what it's for. Now build the template just like you would a regular project. Add to-dos to outline your workflow, create schedule items for key milestones, and drop in any files or docs that people will need every time. If there are standard messages or announcements you always send at kickoff, write those now so they're ready to go. While you're setting this up, customize the tools to match how your team works. You can turn tools on or off, or even rename them to make the purpose obvious. Keep things generic where it makes sense. Use placeholders for dates or roles so the template stays flexible across projects. When you're finished, that template is saved automatically and will be available the next time you create a project. If you already have a project that's dialed in, you can turn it into a template directly. Open that project and click the three-dot More Options menu at the top right. Choose Save as a Project Template. Give the new template a name and decide whether to include existing assignments and comments. Including assignments can be helpful if the same people usually own the same tasks, while excluding them keeps things neutral. The same goes for comments. Include them if they contain reusable guidance, or leave them out if they're specific to that one project. When you're ready, click Create Template. Basecamp will copy the project's to-dos, files, and other content into a fresh template you can reuse. A quick tip as you finalize any template: scan through your to-dos, schedules, and documents for anything too specific, and generalize it so you won't have to edit as much later. Consistent naming, like adding a prefix for the department or project type, will also make templates easier to find. That's it. Whether you build one from scratch or convert an existing project, you'll have a reliable blueprint ready to launch new work quickly and consistently.